Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to check in online with Ethiopian Airlines. First, go to the Ethiopian Airlines website and tap on online check-in. Enter your last name and booking reference or ticket number. Review your booking details. You may even get an upgrade offer if eligible. Confirm that you aren't carrying hazardous materials. Enter your travel details like passport or visa information if needed. Choose your seat from the available options. Need extra baggage? You can add baggage allowance here. Finally, complete your check-in and download your boarding pass. Important reminder, if you have checked baggage, drop it at the airport's web check-in counter. And that's it. That's how to check in online with Ethiopian Airlines. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.